We know the benefits and understand the challenges.
On top with tori for today, Presido Buhari don inaugurate AFCFTA Action Committee. Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don inaugurate Africa Continental Free Trade Area Agreement AFCFTA Action Committee for State House. As this committee go help put better plans on top how Niger business level go take dey well. Niger Presido get am for mind well say for Niger to get am clear on top African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement, dem must to tanda am well on top policies, the one wey waka on top business deve for the country. E tok say this business matter well, with free movement for people and money, e go help Africa economy and Niger well, as e be say Niger na im be the #1 for economy matter for Africa.
For us as a government, our expectation from this agreement is job creation for our youth, increased production of our local raw materials, and ultimately exporting quality made in Africa goods. We must ensure that Nigeria's position remains that such integration must be rules-based, with built-in safeguards against injurious practices.
President Muhammadu Buhari can order all ministers dem and ogbonge government officers say make dem put better support for the committee, make dem forget better gain for AFCFTA committee dem.
This therefore requires aligning, restructuring existing development projects, programs and initiatives. You are to submit quarterly reports on your progress, and I look forward to receiving your first report in March 2020.
Minister for Industry, Trade and Investment, Otumba Adeniyi Adebayo, he tok say the committee go do better work to see say Niger business matter e dey well, on top the one wey dem get with AFCFTA, as e be say na im be the committee chairman.
The mandate of the National Action Committee includes championing programs to resolve the critical continental level challenges such as smuggling and abuse of rules of origin, production capacity constraints, as well as border and trade rules enforcement.
The Action Committee go still work on top the conclusion of trade reform programs, the one wey dey shele, and this one I say dem go put body for the policy wey go solve the katakata wey dey Africa business matter. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don inaugurate Action Committee, the one wey dey on top AFCFTA, that na African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement, on top how business matter go take waka well for the country. Make una come sabi say this clear and sharp informate wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey carry am come give una. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now, fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.